Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good evening to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can back up a WordPress site, means restore a WordPress site using Updraft plus plugin. So this is my website and I transferred the hosting from old hosting to new hosting. So there is a fresh website, fresh installation of WordPress. So what you can do is on the plugins, click on add a new plugin, and on the search here you need to search something like Updraft plus. So this is a backup and restore plugin. In the previous video I have already told you, just install this and activate. In the previous video I have told you how you can take the backup to your local computer storage. So if you missed that, first watch that video and later you can watch this, so you will know how to take the backup to your computer. Okay, click on press here to start. As soon as you activate, it will leads to the settings phase, and if you scroll to the bottom you'll see like upload backup files. As I told you, I already have a backup, so I'll select that from my computer. So click on the select files. On my computer I have saved the backup which I have taken with the same plugin, the Updraft plus plugin. Okay, I named with a folder, and these are the backup files I downloaded to my computer. So just check the description, you will find that video too, how to backup using this plugin. Okay, select all the backup files. There would be 5. Click on open. So this would take a bit of time as they are uploading to your WordPress website. So all these themes, plugins, database, uploads, and everything one by one gets uploaded. Once everything got updated, click on the restore button and select each and every option, because every option should be selected, then only your site will work properly. Okay, click on next and click on restore here. Just ignore the warnings. Okay, update plus restoration. So it is verifying for the issues. If there is no issue, you will see a notification like the restoration process is successful. So it will take a bit of time. Yeah, see here, this is my site which has been restored. The restore is successful. So what you can do is, now you can close this pop-up here, this small window which is pop-up, you can close this and you can open another tab, and there you can check your website whether it has got restored to what you have backup previously. Okay, the backup I took is before migration from one hosting to other hosting. Just I'll refresh this page now. As I restored to the world version, let us check. See here, my site is completely restored. So this is how you can restore using plugin called Updraft plus. Sorry, I'm a little bit hard to pronounce. Yeah, if you like this video,